Now, Nairobi Senator Edwin Sifuna has been removed as the Senate Deputy Minority Whip after the Orange Democratic Movement ODM party announced changes to its party leadership. Presiding over the Senate on Thursday, Speaker Amason Kingi informed lawmakers that he had received a formal communication from Senate Minority Leader Stewart Madzayo conveying the party's decision. Kingi subsequently announced that Migori Senator Eddy Oketch had been appointed as the new Deputy Senate Minority Whip, replacing Sifuna with immediate effect. Sifuna's removal as the Deputy Minority Whip comes just a week after he was officially removed as the ODM Secretary General.
Meeting dated the 15th of July 2026, which is a record of the proceedings of the meeting together with the resolution, and 2 duly signed list of senators in support of the resolution. From the correspondence, the minutes indicate that a resolution was passed to remove the Deputy Senate Minority Whip, Senator Edwin Sifuna CBS MP, in accordance with Standing Order 23-4. The minutes further indicate the minority party elected Senator Eddy Oketch MP to serve as the Deputy Senate Minority Whip in his place pursuant to Standing Order 23-5. Now, Honorable Senator, Standing Order 23-7 provides as follows. The Speaker, upon receipt of the decision under paragraph 6, shall verify the correspondence received and deliver a communication to the Senate within 3 sitting days. In this regard, I have verified the correspondence received and hereby communicate that the minority party has effected a change in the office of the Deputy Senate Minority Whip. The new office holder with immediate effect is Senator Eddy Oketch MP.
And shortly after Sifuna's removal,